the Vice President said today that meron daw po talagang usapan dito sa Congress to impeach her. Sabi niya, they can deny it, but I know there's something going on. Parang ganun. How do you respond to that? Parang naninindigan siyang meron eh. May moves to impeach her.
Personally, I do not know if there is such a thing, a plan of impeachment. Doon sa meeting with the House leadership, wala ring nabanggit nung magkaroon ng meeting kagabi. Political leaders last night, there was also no mention of impeachment of the VP. Rather, the meeting was all about yung line-up ng administration. So I really don't know where did Madam Vice President Duterte got the information kasi kung may nagsasabi sa kanya na there's such a thing na impeachment laban sa kanya. Kasi the office of the speaker already saying na there's none. Ako, personally, I have no idea. At maging yung mga meeting kagabi ng House leaders, kung sinasabi niya doon nang galing, then ang pinag-usapan lang kagabi, the speaker said, was all about the lineup for the 2025 senatorial election of the administration.
Sir, so you can categorically say na the House leadership is not endorsing or supporting any moves to impeach the Vice President?
No. I can categorically say, and it was repeated to me by the speaker this afternoon before I came down, because I know that it will be asked in this press conference, there is none. The meeting last night of the House leaders was all about the lineup of the administration bet for the 2025 senatorial election. So wala po talaga eh.